Hey, this is Steve from Flowmaster. Today I'd like to introduce our new Delta Boost Performance Tuner for the 2017 and newer Can-Am Maverick X3 Turbo. The Delta Boost Performance Tuner is a simple plug-and-play unit that safely adds 4 psi of boost pressure into your X3 Turbo. Now the outcome is a noticeable increase in horsepower and a wide torque curve for tackling those rugged trails. So let's get this installed. The first step is to disconnect your factory boost sensor and install the Delta Boost module in line between the sensor and the factory harness. Next, we attach the Delta Boost module in the vehicle using a supplied zip tie. The Flowmaster Delta Boost modules designed for power sports applications are manufactured using a process that makes them waterproof in ensuring that they will perform under the most extreme conditions. The Delta Boost Performance Tuner is controlled via Bluetooth from your tablet or smartphone device. Just download the free Delta Boost app for your iPhone or Android device to switch between power settings. The Delta Boost app offers 4 different power settings and also features a live boost gauge to monitor your boost pressure in real time. The first power setting is Valet Mode, which reduces the boost pressure by 4 psi, great for when handing the keys over to a less experienced driver. Standard mode retains the factory boost setting, while Sport mode gives you an increase of 3 psi. For maximum power and torque, Max mode increases the boost by a total of 4 psi. The kit comes with detailed instructions for a quick and easy installation. It's made right here in the USA and it's backed up by our 1-year limited warranty. Now, if you're looking for an instant increase in horsepower and torque for your Maverick X3, then the Delta Boost Tuner gives you a lot of bang for your buck. Be sure to subscribe to our Flowmaster YouTube channel and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.